Welcome to a fast, secure, and isolated environment ideal for software development. A virtual environment allows you to create dedicated spaces for your projects, ensuring they run independently of your main system. With the ability to take snapshots and perform complete backups, it offers a reliable way to manage your setup and mitigate risks to your system. Whether you're testing new software, configuring tools, or developing applications, a virtual environment ensures a controlled and protected workspace. Additionally, you can install all popular operating systems within the virtual environment, giving you the flexibility to work with different platforms. There are two popular free virtual software solutions available: Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player. Both offer powerful features for creating and managing virtual systems, each with its own unique set of advantages and challenges. VirtualBox provides several advantages for virtual systems, including drag-and-drop, shared folders, clipboard integration, and multi-monitor support, enhancing both convenience and functionality in your development environment. VMware Workstation Player is another solid option, offering similar features with its own set of benefits. However, each virtual system has its own limitations and potential bugs, such as issues with drag-and-drop, folder sharing, or clipboard synchronization. The choice between VirtualBox and VMware depends on which software offers the best stability and functionality for your specific needs.